Hi, Sunshiny friends. This is Sunshine Annie working on my DIY composition book planner. This is the last 2 weeks where I used some washi tape on the outside, did a double spread with flowers because it's spring. Now you wouldn't know that where I live, but it's spring. For this next, just for the Easter piece, and I ended up carrying it over a little bit with that same washi tape and putting in just a simple coordinating colors with my easy super tips, my Crayola super tips. I don't know why I was going to say easy tips, but anyway. And just very basic, very easy, because you know what? We're all busy. Sometimes we just need to make it easy. And so for this week, I'm going, this is also for April, and there we go. Sorry about that. So this is just the basic background. I'll add in things, but this is beginning April. We have April Fool's Day, Tax Day on April 15th, and Earth Day on the 22nd. I have some of my appointments here, and I've left some space to write other things that come up that I need to deal with. On this side, so for this week coming up, we have Easter tomorrow, and I'm going to put this up. This is probably going to come out tomorrow, but on Easter, if I can get everything edited and all that. Tomorrow, the plan is for a ham dinner with all the fixins. Do have a early release this week as usual. We're supposed to be getting some bad weather this week, so I don't know how everything else is going to work out. I don't have any appointments or anything scheduled. Hoping to get a chance to see my grandson over this week sometime. I am going to see him tomorrow, so that'll be nice. And yeah, so that's how I'm going so far. For my goals, again, I'm just going to try to be mindful of what I'm eating. So making healthy choices. And I know that sounds like a broken record, but I think that's all we can do is just try to do the best we can. Drink plenty of water. Try to be more active. And keep a healthy mindset. And the way I do my healthy mindset is by working on art. Right now I'm working, as I've said, on the Wanderlust. Plus I'm doing my other DIY art journal. I will show you some of that if you're interested in it. I'll do a little update. As far as meal planning, I haven't planned a lot because we'll have a lot of leftovers. So we'll be doing some leftovers this week. So this is what the planner is looking like. And this is what I've gotten so far. This last week, I've had a couple of weird things happen. We did get to go over and see my grandson on Friday night. You know, they're dealing with the ups and downs of having a new baby. I will show you some things I'm working on in my DIY art journal. That was the Junk Journal Art Journal. It used to be, what I started it as was a composition book junk journal. And I flipped through most of it for you, so you've seen most of it. But just a little update. What have I worked on recently? Yeah, you've seen all this. Sorry about that. Yeah, I think I've shown you that. And you've seen this one. Whoops, let me get you in focus here. And this is, so what I showed, oh boy, I didn't expect that to happen. Well, I can fix that with some green paint. So this is, I covered most of the other stuff I had down there, and what I was going to add in what was the flowers that I had drawn. And I decided to kind of put a green background. I've left some of the color underneath. It really, everything's going to go on top of it. So that's what that's looking like. The other thing I've been working on is this little piece with the mushrooms, a little scene, like little fairies or something could live in my little mushrooms. And so I've been working on painting this with watercolor pencils. They're the, sorry about that. What color? I've had these forever. They're the Duet watercolor pencils. And I couldn't figure out what I had used to do these, and I'm pretty sure that's what I used. So I've been trying to paint that in and get the coloring right on it. So that's basically what I've been doing this week. I haven't added in anything else new to this. So yeah, I'm going to be adding in the flowers that I drew at some point, but I'm not satisfied with the background yet. So that's where I'm at on that. So I hope you have a great week. I hope you have a happy Easter. Look, hopefully you'll check back in next week and see what I've done. I appreciate you, and I'm thankful that you tune in and watch my channel. Thanks so much, and have a great week.